Hello students, this is day 4 of the chapter motion and specific objective for today's class is concept of mass and weight. In previous class we have learnt about distance and displacement, speed and velocity, acceleration and average speed, and today we will discuss mass, weight and what is the difference between mass and weight. Students, we usually think that mass and weight are same. But is it so? Well, no, they are not same. Let us understand how. Mass is simply the amount of matter present in an object. It is measured in grams or kilograms. Let us consider two different situations. In first situation, an object is on the earth, whereas in second situation, the same object is on the moon. What do you think? Will the mass of the object be different on the earth and moon? Well, to answer this question, let us ask ourselves another question. Will the amount of matter in the object be different? Obviously no. The amount of matter in the object will be same no matter where it is placed. It means that mass of the object remains the same no matter where it is placed. SI unit of mass is kilograms. Students, now let us understand what is weight. Weight is a measure of the gravitational pull on an object, or we can say it is a measure of how strongly gravity pulls on an object, or simply we can say that weight is a force with which an object is attracted towards the center of the earth. Now consider two places, place A and place B, and an object of mass m. Suppose the pull of gravity in place A is x units and in place B pull of gravity is 2x units. Clearly, pull of gravity is more in place B. Students, understand this, that mass of the object will be same at both the places, as the amount of matter remains same no matter where the object is placed. But the weight of the object at place B will be greater as the pull of gravity is stronger. Students, weight of the object at place B will be twice as much the weight at place A. The reason being same that the pull of gravity in place B is 2 times the pull of gravity in place A. Now let's read the topic for better understanding. Weight. We often use the term weight in everyday life. Sometimes we mean mass rather than weight, while at other times we really do mean weight. Weight is the measure of the force of gravity on a body, or simply weight is defined as a force with which an object is attracted towards the center of the earth. In other words, weight is the force with which a body is attracted towards the earth or another celestial body. Celestial body means heavenly body like other planets. Weight is equal to the product of the object's mass and acceleration of gravity. Students, here you can write acceleration due to gravity. We have already discussed acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by the letter G. So, from here we get the formula of weight. Students, if the mass of an object is given, we can calculate weight. Weight is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Since the value of G varies from place to place, that is why the weight also varies from place to place. However, mass and weight are not the same. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter present in a body and thus has same value at different locations, and weight varies depending upon the location of the body in the Earth's gravitational field or the gravitational field of some other astronomical body. A given body will have the same mass on the Earth and on the Moon. Why? Because amount of matter of the body remains the same on the Earth as well as on the Moon. But its weight on the Moon will be only about 16% of the weight as measured on the Earth. Why? Because the pull of gravity on the Moon is less than the pull of gravity on the Earth. Since acceleration due to gravity varies from place to place, therefore weight is not same at all places. Let us discuss units of weight. Students, weight is measured in two systems of units. First is absolute system of units and another is gravitational system of units. In absolute system, it is measured in Newton and dyne, where the Newton is SI unit and the dyne is CGS unit. And in gravitational system, weight is measured in kilogram force and gram force, where kilogram force is the SI unit and gram force is the CGS unit. So, we have two SI units of weight. Newton is the SI unit of weight in absolute system, whereas kilogram force is the SI unit of weight in gravitational system of units. Let's read from the book now. Units of weight. Weight is measured in two systems, absolute and gravitational. In SI and gravitational system, weight is measured in kilogram force. As we have discussed, that kilogram force is the SI unit of weight in gravitational system of units. And in CGS, in gram force. Students, how can we define 1 kilogram force? It is the force with which the earth attracts a mass of 1 kilogram. Underline this definition. In SI and absolute system, weight is measured in Newton. So, Newton is the SI unit of weight in absolute system of units. And in CGS, in dyne. Let us summarize the difference between mass and weight. It is the amount of matter contained in a body, as we have discussed. And weight is, it is a force equal to the gravitational pull exerted by a planet, or it is a force with which an object is attracted towards the center of the earth. Students, mass is a constant quantity, means it remains same everywhere and does not change with respect to position or place. Whereas weight is a variable quantity and changes with the change in acceleration due to gravity of a place. As the formula of weight is m multiplied by g, where g is acceleration due to gravity. Mass of a body can never be zero, but weight of a body can be zero during free fall. When a body is falling freely, then its weight is considered as zero. It is measured by using a physical balance, whereas weight is measured by using a spring balance or a digital balance. Students, mass is a scalar quantity. As we have discussed, that scalar quantities are those quantities that have only magnitude. So, mass has only magnitude but no direction. Whereas weight is a vector quantity, means it has magnitude as well as direction. Students, as we know that weight is a kind of force and force acts in a particular direction, weight acts in downward direction. So, it is a vector quantity. Mass is measured in kilograms, whereas weight is measured in newtons. Students, you must be able to answer all these questions. First is define mass. What do you mean by weight? What is the SI unit of mass and weight? Write down the various units of weight. Differentiate between mass and weight. Next is numerical. Mass of an object is 40 kilograms. Calculate its weight. We have discussed formula of weight. W is equal to m multiplied by g, where m is 40 kilograms here and acceleration due to gravity, value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. So, fill these values and calculate it. Note down all these questions and revise properly. Thank you.